everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Halifax Mastercard. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.halifax.co.uk/creditcards and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. From the main home page that you end up in, go and click on the sign in button at the top right and then enter your username and password associated with your Halifax online banking account. Start off by typing in your correct username and password in the text box appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. If you don't remember your credentials, you can click on the Forgotten Your Sign-In Details link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in the correct one, click the Continue button and follow the instructions to log in first to your online banking account, and after you are logged in, you should be able to access your Halifax Mastercard. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.